Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Now in this particular case, the complainant Srimati Sunita Nair was travelling from Ahmedabad, Gujarat to Kerala. It is on 24th. So when the train had reached to Margao and it was about to leave, as it had started leaving from the station, some unknown accused person committed theft of, snatched away the handbag of the complainant, and he jumped from the slow moving train. And that handbag contained gold ornaments, some diamond ornaments were also there, and cash of 20,000. So it was all worth rupees 5,20,000. The lady reported this matter to the TT, and eventually the complaint reached to us HD, and the offence was registered. Through RPF the complaint came to us and the offence was registered, and based on the modus operandi involved in this case, we identified one person by name Aslam Kaligar, a resident of Vasco. We took custody of him, and during the investigation we managed to recover the stolen property involved in the case. And in addition to the property what was mentioned in the complaint, we also managed to recover another pair of diamond ring which is costing 70,000. So it is worth rupees 5,70,000. So we got it confirmed from the complainant also that the diamond ring belongs to her, and his involvement, we have obtained 4 days police custody remand, and we are suspecting his involvement in more similar cases reported at this police station. So investigation is in progress.
Which train?
It is Coimbatore Express. The theft had taken place at early morning 3:30 hours.